How to change language on NetTradeX. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're using NetTradeX and want to change the language of the trading terminal, firstly open up the NetTradeX application on your device. Once you're inside the main homepage after logging in, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom right corner. This will open settings. From here, tap on language. From the language options, tap on your preferred language from the list and then tap the check mark at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you will need to restart your login and you'll see that you have changed your language. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.